So why businesses use? Basically, as I said, you like each and every businesses, they want to make their system to be automated. Okay, so that's why they are going to use this HubSpot tool. So if you want, so your marketing to be automate, you want your sales channels to be automate. Okay, so you want your company process to be automate. So this HubSpot will play a major role where you guys can automate many of stuff. So if you see, so the customized CRM. So why the businesses choose is majorly the CRM purpose. So customer relationship, something manager or something is it management. Okay, customer relationship management, where you can maintain all of your customer data, such as contacts, emails, deals, tickets. Everything can be stored within the HubSpot. So whenever you need a customer profile or customer details, you can just log in and you can get the access. Okay, so this central like this will you can store your complete data. Okay, I mean complete customer data. So since it is all in one platform, okay, for marketing, sales, services, CRM, CMS, operations, and if it is e-commerce or any stuff, you need not to look for separate tool since it is come up with all tools with the inbuilt. So you can go ahead and access all this tool and you can start working on this stuff. So again, you need not to look for separate email automation tool or separate CRM or separate any other like CMS, operations, ticketing, or chartboard. So it come up with all the inbuilt feature. So where things can be done very smoother way. Okay, so that's why we call this HubSpot as a all-in-one platform. Okay. As I said, you marketing and sales automation. So all the automation. Okay. So when we say email automation, if you want to nurture your leads, I mean, like if you want to nurture your hot leads or if you want to nurture your cold leads, so this email automation will play a major role. So this email automation features also comes with the inbuilt. So where you can use this email automation. So to convert your customers. Basically, if it is a cold customer, you can convert. So if it is an art customer, you can start sharing the things with them. So keep on engaging them so that they will come back to you at any time. So then the majorly for the lead generation, as I said, you if you want to create a landing page or if you want to create a simple lead form, so this HubSpot can give us options to create lead forms, simple landing page, or if you want to do a simple email marketing, so email template, everything will be powered back so that it will be easy to access. So it will be on our fingertips where you can go drop and drag. So just edit the content how you want, and that's it. Just start sending it if everything is good. Okay, so then major help is like the customer retention and support. These guys, HubSpot supporting is too good. Okay, so they offer 24 bar 7 support. Whenever you stuck anywhere, you are just a chart away. Just go to their chart, explain your where exactly you are stucking, you will receive an answer. Or if you want, basically almost 70 to 80%, it will be done through their AA process. So in case if the AA won't be able to solve, then the AA bot itself, it will ask to shift it to the live agent where they are going to shift the AA itself, shift to live agent. You can chat with the live agent and they get things resolved. So that's why this tool is very, 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 like I can say, and good in the market. So in terms of support, okay, so in terms of customer retention, so when I say customer retention, so if a customer is happy, then only the customer will get renew this stuff. Okay, that's why the retention is very high with this with the HubSpot. Okay, analytics and reporting. So this is one of the major things. So even if you do email marketing or if you perform any sales activities, okay, so or if you do any other stuff, so this analytics will give us detailed report. So in the free version, we have limited access, but if you go to the pro or standard or pro version, so where you can perform all the activities. So in the free version also, we can get the better understanding of the reporting system. So for to make the decision, this free version will help us in a good way. So as I said you, so it is easy to use and scalable. So as I said, even if you are for a first time user, So this interface is very clear. So where you can self-understanding is very easy in the HubSpot. So where you guys can easily understand things. Okay, so this is why all the businesses will go for HubSpot. So cost wise, it's a bit higher side, but definitely this is worth of buying it if you are a like startup or if you're a private limited. So yes, this HubSpot tool is going to be next level tool for you guys to scale your business.